Duck and Oliver had been working their branch line for many years, and they decided to know it very well. The two engines had been doing their unusual jobs, like pulling passengers and pulling trucks. But one day, Oliver was talking excitedly to Duck about the news. It had been a hard day, of course. Driver said it's November the 5th tomorrow. I'm gonna arrange the other engines to do so. Very well, but I have to take these trucks away. They dislike being told what to do by me, of course, and the other engines. Well, I better be off. Goodbye! Okay, goodbye. Oliver was very relieved. Now I can take the passengers home at last. Just then, Oliver heard Stephanie. He was pulling some troublesome trucks, and the troublesome trucks had been very cheeky all day. Ha, ha, ha. Those trucks are being so cheeky, and I don't like it. Oh, great. Driver already told me about that before. Well, I have to take these trucks down to the quarry. It's impossible. You know how you're working on your branch line with Duck, I suppose. But it's not the way I say, because you're only a Great Western engine and I'm a Bluebell engine. Well, that's fine by me. Well, you know all about that, don't you? Sounds easy enough. Well, if you'll excuse me, I have to take some trucks away. Goodbye. Okay. Oliver was very relieved at last. Later that day, he was moving some trucks into a siding. And then he saw Henry and James ready to go with their loads. Oliver was quite concerned. Oh, hey guys, I'm just moving some trucks. Hey Oliver, what's up? Nothing really, just moving those trucks. And what do you think you're doing? I'm taking some vans to pick up potatoes, sausages, and bread rolls. And I'm taking some coaches to pick up some passengers at the station, I suppose. Well, it sounds tragic enough. Now, if you'll excuse me, we better be off. Goodbye, Oliver. I hope you're having time at the bonfire party. Yes, goodbye, Oliver. I hope you'll have fun too. Alrighty, see ya. Oliver was very pleased indeed. Later on, Oliver was on his way home to the sheds, but he realized what was going on. He had to stop there. Oh my, what should I do when I can't get back? Oh God. Suddenly, he heard a loud noise from up ahead. What was that? I've never seen it before. It looks like fireworks to me. I better check it. Then Oliver raced as fast as he could to see. Soon he arrived at the bonfire party. Everyone had arrived and they were very excited about this. Oh man, Henry and James have already done their jobs because I was still here shunting trucks. Well, of course, he grew concerned still. Oh my, what do you think is going to happen? Oh my. Then the same thing happened. One went up in the air and crash, bang, swish. Oliver heard the loud sounds That must be fireworks. Oh my, I better get out of here quick. And then Oliver puffed as fast as he could on the way back to the sheds. The next morning was sunny and delightful, all right, and Oliver was back at work pulling coaches. Stepney was taking some trucks when he saw him. Hey, Oliver. Hey, Stepney. Well, how was your night out? I've been really seeing you here. Well, it was a little bit strange, but I'm okay since you are here. Well, anyway, when we see fireworks at night, we always make our dreams come true, and that means we're really useful engines after all.